SIGER Data's Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case.
The customer's machine, Vanek Robodrill T21 Series Vertical Machining Center, workpiece type, power battery housings, featuring many thin-walled structures, deep cavities, and demanding high-dimensional consistency, surface quality, and cycle time stability. During production, the customer faced conservative feed limits cycle reduction, load fluctuation affects consistency, high-speed production relies on manual tuning. SIGER Data Adaptive Machining System uses power sensor signals and AI algorithms to detect cutting load in real time and dynamically adjust feed rate throughout machining. The system compares target and actual load continuously. When load is low, feed increases automatically. When load nears the limit, feed decreases, ensuring stability while maximizing machine potential. After verification, machining time was reduced from 656 seconds to 565 seconds, saving 130 seconds and improving efficiency by 19.8%. In thin wall areas, corners, and tool condition changes, adaptive machining system suppresses overshoot and filters noise to achieve smooth, continuous feed adjustment. This ensures stable cutting and prevents chatter marks and drag marks. The system continuously learns from similar materials and cutting conditions, converting scattered tuning experience into reusable parameter models. This reduces reliance on manual expertise and supports stable mass production. Deployment and on-site training were completed within 2 weeks, without affecting existing programs. Based on one hardware platform, it can integrate tool monitoring, collision protection, adaptive machining, thermal compensation, a 4-in-1 intelligent machining solution enabling cost reduction, efficiency improvement, and stable production.